we are reviewing more super hard replaceable circular disc 4.5 for the grinder. The providers more super hard is a 4.5 circular grinder 25 pack kit. As we open up the package, the actual diameter from outside to outside measures 114.7. From inner to outer diameter measures 46.9, and the thickness is 1.3. Changing the blade is gripping the tool, spinning off, and changing out the blade. The blades, they are breakable by snapping as a demonstration. And what the blade looks like. Running the blade is showing you a demonstration. This is a demonstration of cutting with the blade. If you're looking for circular disc 4.5 grinder replacements, I hope you enjoy the product if this is something that you are looking for your grinding and cutting needs. Thank you for viewing.